It's time we chat about the unsung heroes of healthcare, the caregivers on call 24/7. Whether it's medication management, transportation, or companionship, they provide much needed comfort. Dr. Melanie Stickrath is the medical director at Pikes Hospice with some information on the current caregiving crisis the country is facing. Doctor, good morning.
Good morning.
You've got some mesmerizing stats for me that'll just kind of mind boggle my mind. How so?
Well, we know that last year 63 million adults in the U.S. provided care for an adult, a child living with serious illness or disability. That's nearly 1 in 4 adults who is involved in this unknown workforce of caregiving.
And I think Pikes Peak Hospice is so special because you guys have really created a community. It's not for just the patients, but it's also for the caregivers. How so?
Yeah. At Pikes Peak Hospice, we really wrap around the patient and their family to try to provide support, provide education to that caregiver, to provide respite for that caregiver if they need a break, if they need to step out of the home. We have support through our staff, through our volunteers, to really provide top-notch support to those who are helping care for people with serious illness.
Look, and caregivers, they're the backbone of society. I know there is a shortage, but what are the qualifications to be a caregiver? It may not be as arduous as it seems.
Certainly. Well, most caregivers that we see are really not trained. They're family members. They're taking care of a parent, a child, a neighbor, a friend, and they step into this role with no training. Certainly, we rely on also trained caregivers to provide respite support and key help in the home when people need that assistance. But for most of us, there's no training.
Saturday, 1 p.m. at the Colorado Springs Senior Center. It's going to be something really special. Bradley Cooper just produced a documentary. You're going to be part of a Q&A after. What's it all about?
Yeah. So Bradley Cooper produced a documentary called Caregiving, really highlighting the aspects of caregiving that can be hard, that can be rewarding. He did this because he cared for his father who had cancer and felt really compelled to bring this need and this information to a broader community.
Have you seen the documentary yet?
I have.
What would be the biggest takeaway after somebody watches the couple hours?
I think, again, just highlighting the fact that this work that caregivers provide is meaningful, is important, but is also hard. It can have health impacts, it certainly can have financial impacts, and really impact well-being for those who are feeling isolated or not seeking the support that may be helpful.
And I love this, Dr. Stickrath, because you're making it interactive. So after the documentary, there's going to be a Q&A session. You'll be part of that as well. Who are some other panelists, and what are you kind of expecting from the crowd?
Yeah, we have a broad range of expertise in our panelists, people who train caregivers, provide support to caregivers, who help to think about care plans and look at community resources. So I feel like it will be an event where people can celebrate the work that they do, but also know what the resources are here in Colorado Springs to get help and to get support when they need it.
If somebody wants to get involved with Pikes Peak Hospice, how can they? If maybe somebody wants to be a caregiver right now.
Absolutely. You can check out our website, pikespeakhospice.org. And see what opportunities we have. We have certainly our staff, but we also have amazing volunteers who dedicate their time every day to supporting our patients and our caregivers.
You ready for a busy month? You got the documentary on Saturday, you got the Senior Lifestyle Expo the next weekend, your big fundraising galas the first week of May. You ready for all this, Doctor?
A lot coming up, but we're really excited to be able to continue doing the important work we do here in Colorado Springs.
Hey, thanks for making Colorado Springs shine. Best of luck at the documentary on Saturday. Saturday, 1 p.m. at the Colorado Springs Senior Center. It's the place to be. Register for the free screening at the bottom of your screen with that website. You can also learn more about the wonderful happenings at Pikes Peak Hospice and Palliative Care. Thank you, Dr. Stickrath.
Thank you.